Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to block a number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that how to block the number which you do not have saved. So let's enter the dialer, enter your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then all you have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right lower corner and tap on block contact. As you can see, your device will immediately show you the information that this number has been blocked, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here. However, let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back. And in order to open the blacklist, we have to enter the phone first of all, so the dialer, and then 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on blocked. And here you can set call block rules and message block rules. It's up to you. Basically, you can, for example, decide whether you want to block all incoming calls from unknown numbers, etc. So it's up to you. However, in order to enter the blacklist, we have to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got our blacklist. And as you can see, here we've got blocked numbers. All of those are blocked, were blocked in the previous way. And now we have to tap on this plus icon. Here we've got more options to choose from, so add from messages, call log, contacts, block prefix, or add manually. So I highly recommend to use this option if you want to block a lot of your contacts in a row. So you will not have to do it manually and separately for all of the calls, all of the contacts. Just tap on it and then you will be able to mark the numbers you want to block. You can also tap on add manually, and as you can see, you can enter it simply here and confirm it with OK, and it will be immediately applied. What is also quite useful, you can check the number of blocked calls, and they are displayed under the specific number. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it, and now you can either mark one of them and tap on remove, or select all and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, the numbers had been unblocked successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.